I have already solved the sums which are based on these three algebraic identities. Okay, so today I am going to solve the sums which are based on these algebraic identities. Okay, so let's start. Okay, see, the next algebraic identity is a plus b plus c whole square, which is your a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now see, the first one is already given to you, that is 9x plus 2y plus 2 whole square. Now compared with it, after comparing we will get 9x will be your a, 2y will be your b and z will be your c. So write down the formula, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now write, this will be your a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. See, this is your answer. Okay, now solve, you can get your answer. This is 9 into 9 81 x square plus 2 into 2 4y square plus z square plus 2 to the 4 4 is 9 36 xy plus 2 to the 4 4yz plus 2 9 is 18 18 xz. See, this is how to solve this. Okay, this is very easy. Now see, the next one is given this. Now see, after comparing with this, you see that here the sign is positive plus, but here the sign is negative. So in that case you have to take plus here. Okay, you have to take plus here. Now see, here you will write plus, then in bracket you will write minus, as we all know that plus minus minus. Okay, so that's why you have to write here plus. You have to put here plus and put minus 2y into bracket. Similar in the case of minus 3z also, you have to write here plus and here you write minus 3z in bracket. Okay, see, this is how to solve this. Now see, compare it, the plus came. Okay, now split into this identity. This will be your x square plus minus 2y square plus minus 3z square. See, this is your a, this is your b, this is your c. So now write a square plus b square plus c square plus 2a into b plus 2b into c plus 2c into a. See, first you have to write here plus. First you have to write here plus, then you have to put minus 2y or negative any number in the bracket, then you can solve it easily. Now calculate, this will be your x square plus minus into minus plus, so this will be your 4y square plus similarly 3 into 3 9z square minus 2 into 2 4xy plus 2 to the 4 4 3 is 12 12zy minus 2 3 is 6 6zx. See, this is how to solve this. So see the next algebraic identity. See, now see the next category of question. See, here a square plus b square plus c square is already given to you, and see here ab plus bc plus ca is given 3. Now you have to find here a plus b plus c. Okay, now see, I have already written the formula. Okay, see, this is your formula, and see, this value is already given to you, and this value also already given to you. You have to find a plus b plus c. Okay, now put the value, just take 2 in common and put the value. See, this will be your 250 plus 2 into 3. Okay, now this will be your 256. So a plus b plus c will be your what? This will be your plus minus 16. Okay, root over means plus minus 16. Why plus minus? Because plus plus is equals to plus and minus minus is also plus. Okay, so it can be minus 16 square or plus 16 square. So this will be your answer, it is plus minus 16. Okay, both the values will be correct. Now see the next one. See, the next sums will be based on these two identities, that is a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Okay, you already know the formula. Now see, this is will be your cube. Now see, this is your a minus b whole cube. Okay, now see, it will be your, see, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. See, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. You have to just write the values of a and b. You have to just identify what is the value of a and what is the value of b, and then just write it down. Then you will get your answer. Okay, after solving this you will get, see, you will get your answer after solving this. Okay, see, after solving this you will get your answer. This minus minus will become plus. Now see the next category of question. Okay, now see, here is your question is given. You have already x minus 1 by x is equals to 3, but you have to find x cube minus 1 by x cube. Okay, now write. First you have to put it in a minus b whole cube formula. Now see, a minus b whole cube will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. This will be cancelled out, and this will be your a cube minus b cube minus 3 into x minus minus plus 3 divided by x. Okay, now see, here no need to multiply, you just take 3 as common. Okay, this will be better, because see, here already x minus 1 by x, the value already given to you. So now putting the values, you will get 3 cube, which is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3 into 3. Now see, this will be your 3 into 3 9, 3 is a 9, 27 is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 9. Then this will be a cube minus b cube will be 27 plus 9, and then you will get 16 6 36. Now see, this is your answer. Students, pause the video and then write it down. Pause the video and then write it down. Now see, the next question is given to 2x plus 3y is equals to 13 and xy is equals to 6. Then you have to find 8x cube plus 27y cube. Now see one thing, that is 2 cube means 8 and 3 cube means 27. So you have to first start with this part. Okay, so start. See, first you have to write this part, as this is the cube of this. Now see, cubing both the sides. Okay, cubing both the sides, you will get this. Now see, here 2x will be your a and 3y will be your b. So write a plus b whole cube identity. That will be your a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, and this will be your 2197. Now see, automatically 8x cube and 27y cube came. Okay, so write 27y cube plus, see, here 3 into 2 will be 6 and 6 into 3 18. 18 into xy. See, the value of xy is also given to you. So write 18 into 6 into 2x plus 3y, you also know, that is 13. Okay, so write 13, and here will be 2197. So this will be 27y cube plus 1404, which is equals to 2197, and you will get the answer 2197 minus 1404, that will be your 793. So this is your answer. See, first you have to write this, then cubing both the side, automatically the sum will be solved. Okay, first you have to carefully see what is already given to you and what you have to find, then relate this. Okay, then you can solve it very easily. Pause the video and write it down. see, the next one is you have to evaluate 1002. See, you have to evaluate 1002 whole cube. Now this will equals to 1000 plus 2 whole cube. I have already told you that why you have to take 1000, 10, 100. Okay, so now split it into identities. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, that is your 1002. Okay, now after solving this you will get the answer 100,100,601,2008. Okay, after solving this you will get this answer. I have already told you that why you have to take 100,010. Okay, so see, you have to solve in this way. This is the smallest one. Now let's see the next one. Okay, see, the next one is given if a plus b is equals to 10 and a square plus b square is equals to 58, then you have to find the value of a cube plus b cube. Now see, maximum students, they are going to find the relationship of a square plus b square and a cube plus b cube, and hence they cannot solve the problem. Okay, but first you have to see, you cannot do in that way. Okay, you have to first go through the given part. Okay, first you have to concern about the given part. Okay, then you have to see what you have to find. Okay, but first you have to concern about the given part. Okay, forget about this fine part. Okay, forget about this fine part, just see the given part, just see your given part. Okay, forget about the fine part. Okay, just see the given part. Okay, see, here a plus b given, a square plus b square given, so you have to see a square plus b square identity, that is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, now write, put the values. You will get 10 square which is equals to 58 plus 2ab. So after solving you will get 2ab will be your 42 and you will get ab 21. Okay, now see, AB is given. After solving the given part, now you have to see what you have to find actually. Okay, so you have to find a cube plus b cube. Now you have to concern about the find part. Okay, a cube plus b cube. Now see, you know a plus b whole cube means a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Now write, 10 cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3 into ab means 21 into 10. See, students, pause the video and write it down. After solving this you will get a cube plus b cube will be your 370. Okay, see, this is your answer. First always see the given part, solve the given part, then see the find part. Okay, pause the video and write it down. Let's see the next one. Last but not the least, see, here is given x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by x to the power 4 is equals to 47. Now you have to find x cube plus 1 divided by x cube. Don't afraid, students, see carefully. First you have to see the given part, that is x to the power 4 plus 1 divided by x to the power 4. See, we all know that x, this means the x to the power 4 comes for x square. Okay, comes from x square. Now you can write x square plus 1 by x square whole square will be your x to the power 4 divided by 1 divided by x to the power 4 into plus 2 into a into b. Now see, this will be cancelled out. See, the value is already given to, that is 47 plus 2. This will be your 49, which is 49 means what? 7 square. See, 7 square, square cancel out, and you will get a square plus b square means x square plus 1 divided by x square is equals to 7. See, first you have to derive this. From this you can easily go to q. Now see, here you have to find x plus 1 by x. Okay, from where x square plus 1 divided by x square came. Now see, x plus 1 divided by 1 by x square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 x into 1 by x will be cancelled out. So this will be your, see here given 7 plus 2 which is 9. 9 means 3 square, so you will get x plus 1 by x equals to 3. Okay, see, step by step you have to go. Now see, you have to find here x cube plus 1 divided by x cube, and you have get already x plus 1 by x. So cubing both the sides. Okay, cube. On cubing both the sides, you will get a cube plus b cube plus 3ab will be cancelled out. Okay, so 3a plus b is equals to, this is your 27. And see, x cube plus 1 by x cube you have to find. Now on putting the values, 3 into x plus 1 by x, that is 3. 3 into 3 means 9. So this will equals to 27 minus 9, and the answer will be 18. See, step by step you have to do. Okay, step by step you have to do. First you have to see the given part. Okay, then step by step you have to do. First x to the power 4, then x square, then x, then from x cube. Okay, step by step you have to do. Pause the video and write it down. So today up to this, that's all for today's class.